Hi everyone. As I promised, I'd said I was going to have a go at doing a video log or a vlog. So about some of my treatments. So here goes. Um, you may also see my partner in crime in the background there, Poppy. So hopefully she won't distract things too much. As you know, I got some good news on Friday, which was also confirmed to me on Monday, that my central nervous system is clear of the cancer I've got, the non-Hodgkins lymphoma I've got. So that also gave me the green light to have my stem cell transplant. I need a couple more rounds of chemotherapy first, just to be belt and braces about everything and try and make sure we get as much of this gone as possible, any stragglers that might be in my system. So my stem cell transplant isn't likely to take place until middle of September. But what they want to do on Monday, which is only a few days from now, it's Friday today, is actually harvest my own stem cells, and they will then take those stem cells, freeze them, put them in a blood bank somewhere, and they'll use those when I have my stem cell transplant after I've had some really higher dose chemotherapy. So stem cell transplant, we all know a little bit about them, but a stem cell basically is the earliest form of a blood cell you can get. Your bone marrow inside your bones works hard to produce stem cells, and then that turns into all the blood cells that we're used to, our red cells and our white cells, platelets that help you clot when you cut yourself, lymphocytes and various other things. So what we're going to be trying to do is grab some of these. Unfortunately, there aren't enough that are produced generally for me to grab hold of, so I have to have some special injections, and I'm having these injections every night for 5 nights. So I'm a couple of days in. Tonight will be my third set of injections, and I have to have 4 of them in total, but fortunately I can mix them together, and Nicola will help me do that, and when we mix them together I just have to have 2 injections a night. I'm used to having this type of injection with my treatment anyway to help my bone marrow recover after I've had my normal chemotherapy. But these injections are much stronger, and as such I'm likely to get a little bit of bone pain, and the bone pain is just caused by my bone marrow working harder than it's used to. But we're a couple of days in, we'll see how we get on with that, and I'll let you know how things go, and hopefully I can show you those injections going in a little bit later. I will give you a warning beforehand for those of you who are a little bit squeamish. Okay, first one done, let's upload it, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.